We're Mara's house. We're in the good shit.
That's Cam.
Okay.
And he's the Karen Samantha show.
Samantha. Sink her in. Sink. You can get under the covers. They're gonna sing for you guys.
You ready?
I don't think they're ready for this, Karen. Ready?
Mock.
Yeah.
Eating.
Yeah.
Bird.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Mockingbird song. Everybody,
Have you heard? Have you heard?
I'm gonna buy you a mockingbird.
Mockingbird.
And if that mockingbird don't sing,
I'm
I'm gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Pick 'em
That's
up.
all we know.
Don't they go like pick 'em up or something?
This is not going anywhere either.
Okay. Let's read one of your things. So Ken in middle school.
Camino Nuevo. So, here you go.
Here's my inner self.
So, this was way back in 2003, and I wrote to myself.
Yeah, read it. Oh, okay. Alright. To Karen. Don't change. And when you look back at this, years later, you better be successful. Hope you find a special guy and never cry for a guy. From inner self, Karen. That was my favorite. It's really cool. So what did we do today? We
I hate you guys. Can I leave have my charger? That's not funny.
She straight up looked into the camera. Oh my god. That was hilarious. So here's another.
Really bumped.
There's Mary. You really get to see her. She's studying. Studies. She's doing math. Let's see what else. What else can we share in this cool? So she got this really cool knitting phone. It's like, sorry, it's like blue. It opens up. Come on, have you ever seen a phone that opens up? Isn't that cool? And then there's this one. It also opens up. Check out this one.
Doesn't open.
Does not open.
Oh,
Isn't that amazing?
it's crazy. It's great.
Give it up.
Sing another song.
What other song can we sing?
Can I really fix myself? Like how I look.
Yeah,
but
the
the
one
one
with Celine in here is good.
Let me play them.
Okay.